we're in the deal business, and small business brokerage, it's all money, it's deal making, it's negotiating, it's very emotional for people. I think when you're in the thick of that, it can be easy to kind of lose sight as to what's really important, and I mean that for all parties privy to the transaction: buyer, seller, attorneys, brokers. What I love about Transworld is Transworld is very immersed in the community. Andy in particular, he's very vocal about supporting nonprofits and being out there, supportive of your neighbors. That is the most important at the end of the day. And I love the fact that Transworld as a company is able to bridge that gap between capitalism, if you will, and supporting your local community.
For me, working at Transworld is really something that can be summarized in really just one word, and that word is pride. It's pride that I experience when I go into the community, and I know that others that I come in contact with, a buyer, a seller, maybe an accountant or a lawyer, they're familiar with the Transworld brand, and they have nothing but good experiences with Transworld over the last 15 or 20 or 25 years.
So working for Transworld means working for the best business brokerage and business intermediary firm in the country. When I'm out about looking for new clients and out about in the community, when I say Transworld, everybody says, "Oh, you guys are the best. I know Andy. You guys are wonderful. You sold my friend's company. What can I do? How can we work together?" So for me, I really feel like we're the gold standard, and I feel proud to be part of that standard.
To me, working at Transworld means that there aren't any glass ceilings when it comes to my earning power. It means that I'm able to take care of my family, my friends, and my community. Working here at Transworld is more than just working for a brokerage. It's working alongside my fellow team members, my fellow family.